from the media, other guests, sa ating pong lahat, isang makabuluhan at magandang umaga. First, let me extend my congratulations to the UST-NCR and the local government unit of Caloocan for this new partnership. I would also like to extend and acknowledge the city of Caloocan, one of the 4 cities in Metro Manila, to be among the first in NCR to transition into a smart city under the DOST's Smart Cities and Sustainable Program. Since last year, the Secretary and I have been going around the country to promote our local DRRM technologies through the Handa Pilipinas expositions, and of those technologies is the mobile command and control vehicle with triage technology, or MOCO. So you may be asking, why are we doing this? This is in line with goal number 11 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which is to make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. We are also doing this because we have seen time and again how our fellow Filipinos suffer from post-disaster. Ako po ay nanggaling sa North Luzon, particularly in Region 2, and I think about 5 years ago, I witnessed one of the highest typhoons that landed in the Philippines. Ito po yung Typhoon Lawin. Na-experience ko po yung 280 kilometers per hour na lakas ng bagyo. And I mentioned to our Honorable Congressman Oco Malapitan, ayoko po na may mga Pilipino, na maraming Pilipino yung ganitong kalalakas na sakunaan. Sabi ko nga po, sana ay hindi natin magamit, Dr. James, yung ating MOCO. But in case na tayo ay hindi papalarin, ay maganda na tayo ay nakahanda at meron na po tayong ganitong facilities, or meron na po tayong ganitong kakayahan na rumusponde sa pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan. The local government units, being the nearest to the communities, are the agencies that are primarily responsible to responding to disasters and eventually for rebuilding communities physically and psychologically. The MOCO technology, a fully developed, equipped mobile command center that can harness solar and wind power, will definitely help our LGUs to better respond in post-disaster scenarios. This technology is one of our initiatives to make Caloocan a smart and sustainable city in Metro Manila, on top of the other technologies lined up for transfer. As I have mentioned before, our battle cry in the DOST, especially in the regional operations, is to mainstream science, technology, and innovation in local development to help address environmental problems, augment socioeconomic needs, and improve social status with the end goal of improving lives of all Filipinos. This MOCO technology is one of the ways to do it, and I hope other LGUs in Metro Manila will follow suit and adopt other life-saving DRRM technologies born out of the ingenuity of the Filipinos. Again, my warmest congratulations to the UST-NCR, to the city government of Caloocan for this initiative. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.